breakers roar. Men and women stand watch on the shore. Engines ignite through the dark they ride. For every soul lost to the turning tide. Coast Guard Mooloolaba holding the line. Through storm and swell, through the test of time. With courage unbroken through night or the day, they're the beacon of hope when the waves give way. Voices crackle over radios dim, a call for help and the search begins. Salt on their hands, fire in their veins, they carry the weight of the ocean's chains. Coast Guard Mooloolaba holding the line. To storm and the swell, through the test of time. With courage unbroken tonight or the day, they're the beacon of hope when the waves give way. Coast Guard Mooloolaba, heart strong and true. The sea may be endless, but it can't break you. From the bar to the bay, through the storm's last breath, they are life against ocean. Defiance of death.